subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo launched its new 5G phone under Y series in China called Vivo Y100i Power, with large battery. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y100i Power 5G features a 6.64-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 91.1% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12GB by using internal storage, and it has 512GB of onboard storage, with microSD expansion up to 1TB. In terms of camera, the Vivo Y100i Power 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 44 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 based on Origin OS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with a large heat dissipation system that helps to maintain phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.63 by 75.8 by 9.10mm, and it weighs around 199.6 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y100i Power 5G has been priced in China at 2,099 Chinese yuan, and it is currently available for purchase in the country in moon shadow black, snowy white, and sky blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y100i Power 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.